Our top 5 best capacitor kits. A capacitor is a two-terminal electrical component that helps to store the energy in the form of the electric field. They are originally known as condensers. The physical forms of capacitors may vary and its specific types are mostly used. Capacitors have a wide range of applications in electronics, from simple calculators to computers and many more. Buyers should know about the different types of capacitors available in the market and pick the best one. 1 Number product. Swpeet Electrolytic Capacitor Kit. First on our list is from Hilitchi brand. It is a popular brand for designing electronic components and also provides better quality services to the customers. For this reason, we have listed OCR 500 pieces capacitor kit number 7 on the list of 10. These capacitors have a very long life compared to other manufacturers on the list. It is reasonably priced and makes the users buy this product without having a second option. 2 Number product. Hilitchi Monolithic Multilayer Ceramic Capacitors Kit. Second one in the list is from Hilitchi brand. This popular brand offers different capacitors ranging from 0.1 of 10 F with a tolerance of ±5%. These capacitors help to design a variety of electronic projects and applications like computers, telecommunication, data processing and industrial control. 3 Number product. Swpeet Electrolytic Capacitors Assortment Kit. This assortment kit contains 24 different kinds of electrolytic capacitor from the range of 0.1 UF to 1000 UF. They can be used by DIYs and hobbyists for different applications. They can also be used for repairing and modification works like game consoles, LCD monitor, stereo, microwave oven, radio, prototyping and others. 4 Number product. REXQualis Electrolytic Capacitor Assortment Kit. This capacitor kit is an assortment of 696 pieces of electronic components. They can be used in a wide range of applications that includes telecommunication, data processing, computers, industrial control and others. They have wide capacitance and provide reliable performance. This kit contains different types of capacitors. They have excellent humidity resistance and long service life. 5 Number product. Frienda Ceramic Capacitor Assortment Kit. This assortment kit is from Frienda brand, which contains around 840 pieces of capacitors. These capacitors range from 10 pF to 30 pF tolerance. Each capacitor comes with a specific number on its surface. All the capacitors available in this kit are made from high-quality materials. They are humid-resistant and provide reliable performance. They are suitable for repairs and small projects. Thanks for watching this video.